So let's talk about Tesla then. You said that you were only going to buy the dip. Are you going to continue to buy the Tesla dip now that it's dipping even lower?
Yes, we can buy a stock up to 10% of our portfolios. And that's certainly in the ETFs. We report our holdings at the end of every day, so anyone can see that. And yes, we have been building whenever we can. Now, we built up to 10% last week, so the stock behaved in line with our portfolio. So again, we can't buy anymore here. If it were to deteriorate at a rate beyond that of our other portfolios, so drop below that 10%, we would then have the latitude to buy more, of course.
Now, you've said you're going to put out a new Tesla price target. The market is anxiously waiting for that. When are we going to see that? Can you give us an idea of what the target will be?
Well, it's going to be I'm going to say a couple of weeks. We're getting compliance is helping us cross our T's, dot our I's, and do everything we should do before we send it out. But the two things that have happened to Tesla since our last projections are, one, it has increased its market share. When we put out our original $4,000 price target, so the equivalent of $800 now, we thought that Tesla's share would drop from 17%, this is share of the electric vehicle market, global electric vehicle market, from 17% then to 11%. Instead, its share increased as others with wonderful brand names started increasing the number of electric vehicles in their companies. So that was a big wake up. In the United States, I think Tesla, through the third quarter at least, was still 80% of all electric vehicles sold in the United States. So pretty stunning. The second thing that has happened is autonomous. The probability that Tesla gets autonomous right, we believe has increased from the 30% that we had in our base case in our last model. What's interesting about autonomous is the margins in autonomous, the gross margins, are in the 80% range. The margins for electric vehicles alone are in the 25 to 30% range. This is a 5-year projection. So the model changes completely if Tesla gets autonomous right. And we think it will.
Okay.